Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and this is definitely gift giving season. However, it's getting a little late for us to get our last minute shopping done. But I do have a gift that we can give any time of the year and to anybody. And they're ebooks. Now you can get all sorts of ebooks, and that means anyone can receive it any time of the year. It doesn't matter if you can personally hand it to them or not. Now, I have just finished reading this cute little book, and I do have a hard copy, but you can get this in an ebook format. And I just thought it was a cute book that I'd like to share with you. It's from C&T Publishing, and it's called Christmas, She Wrote. The book is written by Anne Hazelwood, and there are a pile of short little stories throughout the book. And there's more than just stories. There's food recipes, dessert recipes, cookies recipes, even a chili recipe in it. There's also little sections which I call sort of an inspirational read. It could be a poem, it could be a checklist, it could be just something to ponder over. Because Christmas is a little bit busy, we can just read one story at a time. So there's a lot of fun stories in here, but the one I'd like to share with you today is called A Repurposed Christmas. So they're talking about repurposing Christmas gifts, not regifting, repurposing, which means they're taking things that are old and they're making them new again. So it goes on in the book, and some of the gifts are like this. She made a Christmas stocking out of a worn red and green antique quilt. I could definitely relate to that. Callie collected old neckties and made a striking Dresden plate pillow. We have teddy bears made out of fur coats, jackets made out of a vintage chenille bedspread. There's buttons and scrapbooks, old tablecloths, all sorts of things that are used. And there's even a Laura that happened to be part of the story. It's not me, but it could definitely be me. So Laura's gift was next. She had taken a worn crazy quilt and made a tree skirt out of the best parts. And it goes on to say, Betty cried when she opened Laura's gift of the tree skirt. She told us her old tree skirt had been destroyed in a fire a couple of years ago, so she really appreciated this homemade one. We're all so impressed with these creative gifts that we decided to do an exchange like that again next year. Everything old can be new again, and sometimes even better than it was before. What can you repurpose for Christmas this year? I think repurposing Christmas gifts is a great idea. I might just pull that into my own life. Now, this is an ebook, so really you can get it at any time. If you're able to get a hard copy, I would recommend some hot chocolate with it and a pair of comfy socks, and it'll make a nice little quick gift. If not, send them an IOU for the box of chocolates and send them an ebook. There's lots of ebooks to choose from. I just thought I'd take time and share that one with you. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. Be sure to make every day a so-tacular day, and be sure to have a very Merry Christmas and all the best in the new year. Bye for now.